Today we will be doing problems on kinetic energy and potential energy. Yesterday I gave you the formula of potential energy. Potential energy in short we can write PE denoted by nu and the formula was mgh. When there is height there will be potential energy. And kinetic energy K denoted by K and the formula which I gave half mv square. So we will be doing some numerical problems based on these two formulas. Question number 1. Question says a body of mass 5 kg is lifted to a height of 10 meters. Find potential energy stored in it. Find potential energy stored in it. That is the question. And in the question they will give the value of G 10 meter per second square or 9.8 meter per second square. Any one of the values will be given. So write in formula potential mgh. Mass value is 5, G is 10 and height is 10. Answer is 500. Unit for all kinds of energy because energy is used to do work and unit of work is joule. The unit of energy is also joule. Answer finished. Question number 2. A body of mass 200 gram is lying at a height of 20 meters. Find the potential energy stored in it. Answer. Potential energy formula will be writing U is equal to mgh. Mass is 200 gram. We will be very careful about the unit. Gram we must change in kg. So what we change at 200 gram to kg. You want to change, you can change it here to 200 by 1000, or you can first write like this, or you can do this. M is equal to 200 upon 1000 kg. We are changing in kg. That value you may cancel it here, or you may not. Just keep it here only. G value is 10 and height is given 20. Now we will calculate answer. 1 0 1 0 cancel like this. 22 is 40 joule. Question may come the other way also. Energy is given. This such many things can be unknown and you will have to find the value of that. So take another question. It is like this. The energy is stored in a body at a height 20 meters is 500 joule. Find the mass of the body. Find the mass of the body. That is the question. The value of G will be given in the question and or it may be given 9.8. Now we find answer. Right, U is equal to mgh. Energy is given here. Why we use this formula? Because height is given. U value is 500. Mass is unknown. G is 10 and height is also given 20. Now we find answer. 500 divided by 10 and 20. 10 and 20 will come down to the value of n. Cancel it. We get 5 by 2. 2.5. Unit of mass will be kg very slightly. So you have to be careful about the units. So the answer is coming 2.5 kg. So these are the type of problems on potential energy. Now we are doing the problems on kinetic energy. Formula is half mv square as I have already written. Question says find the kinetic energy of a car of mass 200 kg moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. That is the question. Whenever you see velocity, you must find kinetic energy. So I will answer now directly. Kinetic energy formula half mv square. We are getting half. Mass is 200. V is 20. Is like 20 square. This and this you can cancel. It become 100. 20 into 20 is becoming 400. So answer is coming 4, 1, 2, 3, 40,000 joule. This answer. Quite simple. If mass is given in gram, you must change it in kg and then you will be finding the answer. Next question. A stone of mass 50 gram is thrown with a velocity of 5 meters per second. Find kinetic energy. Find kinetic energy of this stone. Same formula. Kinetic energy is half mv square. We will be getting half. Mass is in grams, so that 50 upon 1000. Velocity is 5, that 5 is 5. You can get 1.2 50 upon 1000 into 5 into 5. Now we cancel and find answer. 2 this will go 25 times. 25, 625 upon 1000. 3 0 remove, put the point here, 0.625 joules. Now you may have another type of question like this. Kinetic energy may be given and this said anything is unknown and you will have to find the value of that unknown quantity. For example, we have a question with what speed a man of 60 kg should run to possess an energy of 750 joule. That is the question. 750 joule. Let us find the answer for this question. Kinetic energy formula is half mv square. So I like to know that formula first. Energy is given. Why kinetic energy formula is following? Because question is talking about the speed. So kinetic energy value is given 750, half. Mass is 60 kg and v is unknown, right? V square. You can cancel 2. This will go 30. 30 will come down. 750 by 30 is the value of v square. 0 0 will go. This will go 25 times. So 25 is equal to v square. The square will put root here. Root 25 is the value of v. Therefore, the value of v is coming. Root 25 root is 5. So 5 meter per second. That's it. That means the man must run with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So this is the type. These are the types of problem using the formula potential energy and kinetic energy we have done. Okay. Now the next part of this chapter is law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. What is it? What is the statement of law of conservation of energy? We say energy is neither created energy is neither created nor it is destroyed, we can only change it from one form to the other form, or it can only be changed from one form to the other form. So you can write it down in your copy. Once again I'll say, energy is neither created nor it can be destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to the other form, but it can be transformed from one form to the another form. Transform is change. That means one kind of energy never gets destroyed, never gets lost, rather it changes into the other forms of energy. So transformation, next heading can be from transformation of energy. Transformation of energy. We will see one energy will be changed into the another form of energy. So there are situations, I think you know, like sometimes we change potential into kinetic, sometimes we change kinetic into potential, sometimes we change electrical into mechanical, sometimes mechanical into electrical, sound into electrical into sound, electrical into light into electrical. There are different situations in our daily lives. We have the examples where we change one form of energy to the other form of energy. Those examples from our daily lives we must know very well. Like example of potential. Okay, one thing should be noted here, like we have two types of mechanical energy, kinetic and potential. Potential energy is energy at rest. It cannot be put into use. It cannot be put into work directly. Whereas kinetic energy is the energy in the motion, so that energy we can transform. Only kinetic energy can be transformed to the other forms of energy other than mechanical energy. But potential energy cannot be changed into the other forms of energy. First we will change potential energy into the kinetic, and then the kinetic energy can be changed into the other forms of energy. So about the transformation of energy, a short topic that we will discuss in the next class. For today we are doing this much. I did the problems and the statement of law. In the next class our topic will be transformation of energy. There we will deal with different type of examples in our daily lives. Thank you.